A computer is a device that works with information. The information can be numbers, words, pictures, movies, or sound. Computer information is also called data. Computers can process huge amounts of data very quickly. They also store and display the data. To work with a computer, we use external devices called input-output devices. These are also known as peripheral devices. Cool fact: as you press a key on the keyboard, an electrical signal representing that key is sent to the computer. Input devices. Input devices are used to provide input that can be understood by the computer, such as raw data, information, commands, orders, signals, etc. To give input, a computer needs an input device. It is a very important part of a computer. In your previous class, you have learnt about a few input devices like keyboard, mouse, joystick, and touchscreen. Let's learn about some more input devices in this lesson. Light pen. Light pen is a pointing device similar to a real pen. It is used to select an item or draw pictures on the monitor's screen. When the tip of the light pen is moved over the screen and the pen button is pressed, the pen detects the screen location and sends the signal to the CPU. Trackball. Trackball is an input device that is used instead of a regular mouse. It is mostly used in notebooks and laptop computers. A trackball consists of a ball which is moved with the help of the fingers. Moving the ball moves the pointer on the screen. A trackball requires less space than a regular mouse. This is because you do not need to move a trackball like a mouse. Cool fact: trackball is like a mouse turned upside down. Scanner. Scanner is an input device which works more like a photocopy machine. It is used when some information on paper needs to be copied to the hard disk of the computer as an image. You can then edit such images before taking their printout. Microphone. Microphone is an input device that is used to record your voice or any other sound into a computer. Magnetic Ink Card Reader, MICR. MICR is an input device that is generally used to process checks in banks. The bank's code number and check number are printed on the checks with a special type of ink. This ink contains particles of magnetic material that can be read by this machine. This reading process is called Magnetic Ink Character Recognition, MICR. The main advantage of MICR is that it is fast and makes few errors. Barcode Reader. Barcode Reader is a device used for reading information or data contained in a barcode, data in the form of light and dark lines. Barcode data is generally used to identify the different items in a store or supermarket. A barcode reader scans the image of the barcode and sends it to the connected computer. Cool fact: barcodes are known to have a 99.99% success rate. Optical Mark Reader, OMR. OMR is a special type of optical scanner used to read the marks made by a pen or pencil. It is mostly used for checking the answer sheets of examinations that have multiple choice questions. Digital Camera. A digital camera is an input device that takes pictures like a regular camera but stores the images as data on a memory card instead of printing them on film. Many digital cameras are capable of recording videos in addition to taking photos. The pictures can be stored on a computer. Output devices. Devices that help us see the result of the input entered into a computer are known as output devices. Let us learn more about these devices. Monitor. Monitor, commonly called a visual display unit, VDU, is the main output device of a computer. It forms images from tiny dots called pixels, which are arranged in a rectangular form. The sharpness of an image depends upon the number of pixels. There are two kinds of screens that are used for monitors: cathode ray tube, CRT, flat panel display, LCDs and LEDs. Cathode ray tube, CRT monitor is made up of small picture elements called pixels. The smaller the pixels, the better the image clarity or resolution. It takes more than one pixel to form a whole character, such as the letter E in the word tube. Cool fact: the first monitor was made in 1922. Flat panel display monitors are relatively light in weight and compact. They can be easily hung on walls without taking much space. The picture quality of these monitors is clearer and sharper than CRT monitors. Printer. Printer is an output device that takes information stored in a computer and prints it on paper. There are two types of printers: impact printers, non-impact printers. Impact printers. In this type of printer, hammers or pins, printhead, strike against a ribbon and paper to print the text. Examples: dot matrix, daisy view, line printer. Impact printers are generally used for printing bills and receipts. They are slow and the print is of low quality. Nowadays, impact printers have been replaced by the non-impact printers. Cool fact: the initial cost of a laser printer is higher than an inkjet printer, but the cost of its toner is low as compared to the colored cartridge of an inkjet printer. Non-impact printers. Non-impact printers print without striking the page. In other words, there is no contact between the printhead and the paper. Examples: inkjet and laser printers. Inkjet printer. In an inkjet printer, the printhead sprays very small droplets of ink on the paper to form the desired image. It is fast and has a better printing quality. One drawback of inkjet printers is that the printout may smears if it gets wet. Laser printer. This type of printer produces an image with the help of a laser beam on the roller of the printer. The roller is passed through powdered ink known as toner. The toner sticks to the roller which was hit by the laser beam. Later, the characters are transferred to the paper through a combination of heat and pressure. A laser printer is very fast and produces high-quality printouts. Speakers. You have already learnt about speakers as output devices. They are used to listen to music or other sounds from the computer. Nowadays, speakers are built into the monitor and also in laptops. Headphones. These are output devices fitted with a microphone as well as speakers. They let you listen to music and sounds without disturbing people around you.